Hello world, this is Ketsweng Mashona. I'm here in Gemstone to be a next Gemstone as a TV presenter. Please vote for me because I'm armed with confidence, I'm armed with self-esteem, I'm so armed with ambition. So vote for me. Hello world, this is Ketsweng Mashona. You are tuned to Gemstone, the show that extracts the talents from youth across the continent. It's either you acting, singing, modeling, you can think of them. Gemstone is here for you, so always keep tuned. Stay tuned, is there 6:30 on BTV on Saturday. Thank you.